In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to convert this image, how to transform this image into this image. Yes, we gotta do some color grading, and let's get started. And by the way, if you want this image, if you want to download this image, I'll leave a link in the description for you to get it. Okay, let me delete this and start from scratch. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna add the color balance adjustment to this. I want to make this image look a little bit bluish, to go a little bit towards the cold colors. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna move this. I'm on the mid-tone, by the way. Okay, go here. I will select the highlights and just touch the highlight just a little bit, and the shadows also. I'm gonna just push them and make sure that every one of them goes a little bit more towards the blues. Okay, and then I'm going to come here, add a color lookup to this image. Go here in the drop down menu and select Fuji Eternal 250, the 3510 if you've got it. Okay, and you'll get something like this. Beautiful, right? Okay, and then I'm going to add a new layer. Select my brush tool, make sure I've got a kind of dark bluish color selected, almost dark. Okay, make sure that my opacity is around 50%, the flow 84, 100, whatever. Don't worry about that, it's not gonna make much difference. Okay, then I'm going to just paint on this about something like this, just to make sure that the viewer's attention is directed towards this little house and also part of this valley. Just paint this a little bit like this. Go to blending mode. In my blending modes here, and select darken to make this a little bit darker. Okay, and then I can paint a little bit more onto this, and then I will go in my opacity and bring this down just about here, and I'm done with my image. Here is it. Here's the final image. We turn it from this to this, and that's a quick color grading for you guys. See you in the next movie. Bye bye.